Hi friend, I wanted to give you a couple of short videos that explain some key pieces of the upcoming classes, workshops, and weekend events that I'm holding that are very specifically designed to help business owners learn how to scale up their business much more effectively from the perspective of effective sales, marketing, and business operations, and learn how to integrate them so that you have processes and procedures, and more importantly, ways to connect with your clients so that you can get paid more money more often. So watch the videos below. Each video is designed to give you one quick overview about one of the specific classes that are coming up very soon. If you have any questions about any of the content and the courses that I'm offering, please connect up with me. You can email me and I'll get right back with you. And I really look forward to helping you grow your business and scale up really dynamically in this year. Thanks so much and stay tuned.